In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using Hubstaff in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to manage your team's time more effectively or track your own productivity, this tool is an excellent choice for your workflow needs. We'll walk through the setup process, ensuring you can get started swiftly and effortlessly. So, let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Hubstaff. Hubstaff is a popular time-tracking software that helps manage remote teams, track the time spent on projects, and ensure everyone is productive. Once you've located the official Hubstaff website from your search results, give it a click, and you're ready to start the sign-up process. Signing up for Hubstaff is straightforward. You'll need to click on the Sign Up button, usually prominently displayed on their homepage. If you're new to the site, you'll have the option to create an account using your email address or by linking an existing Google account. This flexibility makes it easy to choose what works best for you. Follow the simple prompts provided to set up your account. Don't worry, Hubstaff makes this process as user-friendly as possible. Once set up, you'll be asked to create your organization. This step involves inputting some basic details, such as the industry you're in. Providing this information helps tailor the experience to suit your specific business needs. After you've set up your organization, it's time to set up your profile. This is an important step as it personalizes your account and enhances what you can do within the platform. Moving on, you'll find yourself on the Hubstaff dashboard, your central hub for managing activities. From here, you can start inviting your team. Simply enter their email addresses in the Invite Team section found on your dashboard and send out invitations. This is a great way to ensure that everyone involved in your projects is integrated into the system from the get-go. Next, navigate over to the Projects tab. This is where you organize the different tasks that your team will work on. Click on New Project and enter a project name and a brief description. This helps in clearly delineating the work being done and sets a clear agenda for your team members. Finally, one of the standout features of Hubstaff is the ability to assign team members to specific projects. This ensures that all time tracked is accurately associated with the correct projects, allowing you to have clear insights into how your team's time is spent. Assigning members to projects not only enhances accountability, but also facilitates better resource management. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Hubstaff and are ready to start managing your time and projects more effectively. Getting started with Hubstaff is quick and easy, and with this setup, you'll be able to track and manage time efficiently, helping your team stay productive and organized. Thanks for tuning in and happy tracking.